If you're having trouble getting your LinkedIn verification code, this video can help. As you can see, I'm trying to sign into my LinkedIn account. But the verification code isn't coming. So what's the solution? First, go to your mobile settings, click on Apps and Notifications, click Advanced, scroll a little, and click on Special App Access. Now click on Battery Optimization. From here, select All Apps. Find the LinkedIn app, click on it, and click Don't Optimize. Done. Now go back to Apps and Notifications, select the LinkedIn app, click on Permissions, allow the call access so that LinkedIn can call us for the verification code, and make sure Remove Permission if app isn't used is off. All done. Now let's check if the code comes or not. Go back to Sign In, enter email or phone, password, and you can see the code comes within a second. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to get any solution in a short time. Thank you for watching.